Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you today. I've got to make this video. I can't use no names, but I bought this little truck down in Ardmore, Alabama. It's a 01 GMC 2500 HD 4-wheel drive. She is a clean little truck. Nice little pickup truck. She's got some issues, and we'll get into that. If you remember last year, I had a young man that got took to the cleaners out of Dayton, Ohio. 06 Dodge, 2500 4-wheel drive, 5.9 Cummins in it. This one here is going to be titled, "Don't Be Taken to the Cleaners number 2. And I've got one more that's coming up. It's going to be called, "Don't Get Taken to the Cleaners number 3. We'll go over all of that. After I made the video last year, I got some attention. I got some messages and I got some phone calls from right down around this area. I got a call from a young lady here, not too awful long ago, a few months back, about the same place, what they'd done to her family. You know, that really kind of hurt my heart. So I figured, what the heck, I'm going to buy me a couple of trucks. This guy wasn't too awful hard to find. I found him on Craigslist. I asked him several times if he was a dealer, and he said no. So I made arrangements, and I went down to see this truck. And it's an eye catcher. Real nice truck. When I got down there, I wasn't allowed to drive it. He had it all warmed up and everything, and we went for a ride. We went for a ride in it. I watched the gauges and everything. Everything was cleared, all except for the low fuel indicator. I like to test drive my own vehicles. I like to take and drive them and plug a scanner into them and check them for anything hid. Well, this guy didn't let me down. When he pulled in down there in his little black Avalanche, it said Alabama dealer on it. I'm going, son of a gun. Not a dealer, Alabama dealer. Well, I bought the truck and I brought her home. When I was taking it off from the trailer, she run out of fuel. So I put some fuel in it, got it off the trailer, and I said, well, what the heck, I'm going to take her for a test drive. So I took her for a test drive. I put exactly 8.2 miles on this little gal. And you wouldn't believe what happened. I got a bunch of lights that come on, and I lost the engine. The engine smoked in her. I called the gentleman up, being real nice. I sent him pictures of it. Asked him what was up with this. Kind of got a little ornery with me. I told him I'm not going to argue with you, buddy. I just want to know what's up with this. So, pondering on this just a little bit, I sent him a picture of it the other day, and I asked him if he was going to do anything to make things right with this, or should I just kick rocks. I always look for the good in people, at least I try to. But looks like I've been told to kick rocks. So I'm going to be getting this in on hoist. We're going to be going over everything on this. And I'm going to show you people out there a few things that you need to look out for when you're purchasing a used vehicle, especially off of a low budget lot. This guy was straight up dishonest with me and told me he wasn't a dealer. I know better than that now. And I knew better than that when I was down there. When I went down there, I knew that I was going to get took. I knew that I was going to get took to the cleaners. That was the whole reason why I went down there. I went prepared. Because I wasn't going to have an argument. He said, she said. I've got everything right down here. A little flash drive. Thumb drive. I call mine a toenail drive. Because at the end of the day, when you take your socks off, there's some stinky stuff left in here. Like a good old pair of work boots. People come to you guys because they want to trust you. People, when you're buying off from a low budget lot, you're going to get what you get. We're going to go through this one. We're going to fix this old girl. I'm going to show you guys a lot of stuff that you need to look for. We'll see you all around. Be safe out there. And thank you very much. Because don't get took to the cleaners number 2. It's going to be an educational thing for a lot of people. Thank you very much, and y'all have a great day. Bye.